Hello everyone. Before we start, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video if you enjoy it, as it helps us to regularly bring out more content like this. Now, let's begin. Anime-style videos are always a big hit on social media. It is not a surprise, considering how obsessive the world is over anime, especially the younger generations. When it comes to creating those anime-style videos for your business though, it is a whole nother thing. The stunning visuals, animation that grabs your attention, and unique storytelling, that is everything your audience loves. But creating such videos on your own gets very overwhelming, time-consuming, and expensive, very quickly. If you are relating to everything till now, then do not worry, you're not alone. Content creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs all struggle to keep up with trends that demand perfection. But what if you didn't need an army of animators, a massive budget, or endless hours to create jaw-dropping anime content? Meet ViralAnimeX, the world's first AI-powered tool that lets you create stunning anime-style videos in minutes. Imagine transforming your ideas into anime masterpieces with just a few clicks. No skills, no stress, and no waiting. ViralAnimeX makes it possible. Whether you're a marketer who is trying to go viral, a small business owner looking to drive traffic, or a content creator aiming to captivate your audience, ViralAnimeX is built for you. It's not just software, it's your secret weapon to stand out, engage, and grow. Here's how it works. Upload a video, image, or even just an idea. Relax, let the AI transform it into an anime-style masterpiece, while you have a cup of tea. Customize and publish. Customize it your way. Add text effects, transitions, CTAs, and more if you want, and voila. Just hit publish and watch the traffic roll in. With ViralAnimeX, you can take what used to take weeks, or even months, and turn it into a viral sensation in minutes. Here is why ViralAnimeX is perfect for you. Save time. Create viral-ready videos without spending days or weeks. Boost traffic. Social media algorithms love anime. Get 100,000 plus views even with 0 followers. Stay ahead of trends. Be one of the first to ride the anime wave and dominate your niche. Earn more. Use the commercial license to create videos for clients and keep all the profits. And here's the best part. You get all this for just $17.97, not even a fraction of what professional animators charge. Not to mention this is a one-time payment, not a recurring one. ViralAnimeX users are already creating high-converting ads, TikToks, and YouTube shorts that go viral and drive massive traffic. It's time to ditch the complexity, save time, and start making videos that captivate and convert. ViralAnimeX is not just a tool, it's the partner you've been waiting for. Click the link below in the description to join the anime revolution today. Your audience is ready to be wowed. Are you ready to wow them?